Hi, I have something very exciting to tell you. It's about Space NK's Autumn Gift with Purchase. It contains a whopping 33 beauty products. It is titled Space NK Stars and is in collaboration with women's wear brand Rixo London. So the whole thing is worth more than £400. At the time of publishing this video, it is available. It ships worldwide, and if you buy for £175 of Space NK, the GWP is yours entirely free. So, as I said, right now it's available. I don't know how long it is going to last because these things sell out very quickly. The last Space NK gift sold out so quickly that I did not get my hands on it myself in the summer edit. So do rush if you want to get your hands on one. Now, I'll just tell you what's inside this and what I'm buying. Now, this one contains Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen 3.7 mils, Becca Velvet Blurring Primer 5 mils. Yes, that's the GWP in all its glory. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel Extra Strength Formula, 3 packets. Huge fan of this. Living Proof Restore Repair Leave-In, 236 grams, full size. Verso Reviving Eye Mask, 1 sachet. NARS Velvet Lip Glide, 2.8 grams. This is a sort of darker color. A red that is suitable for the holiday season. The Velvet Lip Glide that is in the Harrods Beauty Advert Calendar is a more neutral tone, so you don't have to worry about repetition if you're getting this and that. Dr. Lipp Original Nipple Balm for the lips, 4 mils. Caudalie Vinopure Toner, 15 mils. This is a new range from Caudalie targeted towards blemish-prone and acne-prone skin. They have a serum and a moisturizer as well, which I am getting in order to get this free. Beautyblender Solid Cleanser, 15.8 grams. Malin and Goetz Brightening Enzyme Mask, 7 mils. Lipstick Queen Morning Sunshine, 1.5 grams. Patchology FlashMasque Milk Peel, 1 sachet. Hardie Brilliance Face Oil, 5 mils. Dr. Roebuck No Worries Hydrating Face Moisturiser, 5 mils. Clark Botanicals Deep Moisture Mask. Omorovicza Deep Cleansing Mask, 15 mils. Sisley Rose Cream Mask, 10 mils. Gold Fat and MD Brightening Elixir Treatment, 7 mils. Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara, 3.5 grams. A new launch from Hourglass. Very, very excited to see that in a gift with purchase. Chanticleer 4 Seal Longest Lash Mascara, 4 grams. I know 2 mascaras, but then, you know, I prefer getting minis and I've stopped buying full sizes, so give me all the mini mascaras, eh? Veneffect Micro Exfoliant 10 mils, Frank Body Cocoa Coffee Scrub 20 grams, Eve Lom Gel Balm Cleanser 30 mils, Rodial B Venom Moisturizer 5 mils, Ren Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Energizing Hand Lotion 50 mils. Now, if this is in tube packaging, then that's a full size. If it is in bottle packaging, then that's 150 mils. Either way, 50 mils is a very generous size. IGK Hair Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm 14 mils, Borean CC Red Correct 5 mils, Cap Berkey Patrio Radiance Oil 5 mils, 2 facial oils in here then, Wave Finishing Creme 20 mils, Orbe Glaze for beautiful color 15 mils, DCL Seascape Hypertensi Night Booster 15 mils, that's a vitamin C. I'm dying to try that out. It's 30% ascorbic acid. DCL Skin Brightening Complexion Treatment 5 mils, Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream 8 mils, that's 100% oil free, so ideal for acne-prone complexions. Rixo Hendrix Mini Star Skinny Long Neck Scarf Silk Scarf, that's also free with this. So that is one huge gift with purchase. I don't think I've actually seen a gift with purchase with 33 products inside, ever. Now, I'm more excited about this than I am about quite a few advent calendars, you know. There are more products in here for starters, and there's a lot more variety and a lot of new things in here. The Eve Lom Gel Cleanser is different from their cleansing balm, for instance. We've seen the cleansing balm everywhere. Some new launches, the Caudalie Vinopure range, the new Hourglass Mascara. Very, very exciting products, new products, and a fabulous range of brands, obviously. So I'm very eager to try out these. So there are 6 makeup products, 4 hair care products, 2 bath and body products, 1 scarf, 1 brush cleanser, and 20 skincare products. Now, of these 20 skincare products, that sort of also includes lip and eye products. And now of these 20, 2 are oils and 4 are masks. So Space NK being more, you know, geared towards skincare and spa and wellness than makeup as such. This isn't very surprising. And I'm a skincare junkie and I'm not complaining. And all this is free. Come on, you can buy all the makeup you want. So as I said, this is available now. It is not going to last very long. Now, as to what I'm buying, I link those in the description box as well, so you can hit those. Now, this thing is definitely going to sell out. I am getting myself Chanticleer's 20th anniversary palette. I've coveted it for ages and ages, and then it's sold out. Now it's back, and as you can see, it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So my first Chanticleer palette, provided it hasn't sold out by the time I'm buying it, it will be mine. Now, the second thing I'm buying, again, this is going to sell out right today. is the Caroline Hirons Clean Decoded Box. Huge savings in there, £95. You're getting some amazing savings in there. It's more than £200 worth of products, everything full-sized obviously. You're getting the Soleil Toujours 100% mineral sunscreen glow, tinted, suitable for all skin types and skin tones, and it is also, you know, 100% mineral, no chemical sunscreens in here. So I'm dying to try that one out. I'm also getting the Oscar Renaissance cleansing gel in this beauty box, along with the Ren Day Cream, the Hourglass Dim Infusion. Sorry, I think it's not dim infusion, what was it? Dim light, I think it was. I'll link all that in the description box below. I keep forgetting these things. So there's also, you know, a Morley facial oil and a Tata Harper regenerating mask. I'm dying for all of that, and huge savings, as I said. Now I'm also getting as a third product, the Caudalie Blemish Control Infusion Serum and the Skin Perfecting Mattifying Fluid from the Vinopure range, targeted towards acneic skins. Now, I'm not too asked about getting the toner because I am getting it free within the GWP, so this way I try everything from the range. That's marvelous. So I also recommend, I'm not getting the next set of products, but I'm recommending them because they are firm favorites for me. The Ren Rosa Centifolia cleansing gel, a light, refreshing, sort of waking up morning cleanse, very, very nice for sort of cleaning up the oil and the skincare products you applied the previous night. Now that Tom Ford is in Space NK, you might want to check out the Ultra Rich Lip Color, Boys and Girls Lipsticks, or, you know, the bronzing powder, which is really amazing. Kevyn Aucoin's the recent new launch, the Molten Matte Lip Color. I'm eyeing Tori and Janet, you know, both of which are sort of my kind of shades. Now, Malin Strom is also on Space NK, and my favorite products from May are the Cleaned Up Brightening Exfoliating Treatment, a sort of cleansing mask, the Brilliant Problem Solver, a warming correcting mask. It is a must-have if you're acneic, and it comes in this huge, huge, huge pot. And you mix it with honey for best results. And it smells amazing because it's even got cocoa in it. And it is really, really good for acne-prone skin. And that tub lasts forever. I've had it for more than a year now. I haven't even put a dent in it. And I also recommend the Jasmine Garden Botanical Mist for some decadent hydration. Now, the Tata Harper Resurfacing Serum is a beautiful, clean, exfoliating serum that will sort of supercharge your skin overnight. So if you're into serums or if you're a serum junkie, that's another good choice. So those are the products that I'm getting and my recommendations, all linked in the description box below. I'm also linking where you can get this gift with purchase in the description box below. Hurry, it will sell out. I don't expect it to last longer than 12 hours, and that's me being kind. Maybe 2 or 3 tops. You know, the last one sold out within an hour and I couldn't get my hands on it. So this one is going to sell out very fast. Because 33 products, we haven't had a gift with purchase that had 33 whole products. So this will go very, very quickly, mind you. So if you're lucky to get it, well and good. Don't wait, don't think. Prepare your shopping cart right away and buy it the moment it launches, and that's it. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button, and I'll speak to you in my next video.